Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have created this look especially for the wedding season. I have done this gold eye look which will look absolutely beautiful with every Indian outfit. You can create this look by simply following this tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna start prepping my lip with a lip balm. This is from Blue Heaven in Bubblegum. Next, I'm gonna moisturize my face with this Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. I'm using this Maybelline Superstay foundation for that full coverage spotless look. You just need 1 or 2 pumps for this product. You have to take your time to blend it well. I'm gonna highlight my face with this Maybelline highlighter in 30 Honey. And I'm gonna put it in the inner corner and outer corner of my eye, my forehead, my chin and the bridge of my nose. And I'm gonna blend it all with the same sponge. I'm gonna set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm using the baking technique, which is basically putting a lot of powder on your face. I have to let it set for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna dust off all the excess powder from my face. Next, I'm gonna contour my face with this Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade 03. I'm gonna apply it right below my cheekbone, the jawline, and the sides of my nose. I'm gonna blend them really well so that it doesn't leave any harsh lines. Next, I'm gonna use my favorite blush from Colorbar in the shade Coral Craving. It is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way for this product. I'm gonna use it on my cheekbone and drag it upwards, and also a little on my nose. I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire's. I'm using small strokes and filling it all in. This product is highly pigmented, so you need to use less. Then I'm going to use this spoolie to remove any excess product. Next, I'm using this e.l.f. eyeshadow bite-sized palette in the shade Pumpkin Pie. It has gorgeous shades of golds and browns, as you can see, and I'm going to use my fingers to blend out my eyeshadow. I'm taking this brown color and filling it on the outer corner of my eyes and blending it all in very smoothly. I'm taking this brown color and blending it all over my crease. I'm taking this color on my pinky for the lower lash line. I'm applying some more browns and blending it in. And I'm softening the edges so there's no harsh lines. And I'm taking this beautiful gold color in the inner corners of my eyes using my pinky. Wow, that gold looks so gorgeous. So that's it, eyeshadow's done. Pretty easy, right? I'm using this Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. It's one of the best mascara. And I'm gonna coat my upper and lower lashes with this one. This is one of my all-time favorite mascara. And boom. I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal in the lower lash line. And I'm gonna smudge it in with the help of my pinky. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Liner, and I'm going to create a wing liner. A little bit in the inner corner as well. Moving on with lipstick, I'm wearing this Lakme 9 to 5 Lip and Cheek color in Plum Feather. This is one of my favorite lip shade out there. It's very comfortable to wear. Next, I'm wearing this false lashes from Swiss Beauty in Bossy. Just apply some lash glue and wait for a minute before applying it. If you don't like an eyelash curler, you can use this technique. Just push it upwards. And there you go. This is super affordable. This is under 100 rupees, so you can try it out. And I'm wearing some kajal on the waterline. Next, I'm wearing this Maybelline Master Chrome Studio Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And I'm wearing it on the high points of my cheekbone. And wow, it looks so gorgeous. I'm gonna highlight the bridge of my nose, the cupid's bow, and my chin. And right below the arch of my brows and my temple. Next, I'm wearing this matching jewelry set and adding this stone bindi. And this very pretty and unique bracelet to finish the look. Look how gorgeous it is. This is it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And don't forget to watch my latest videos up here. And please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching.